Welcome to Just in Time Lapse. Today we're going to take something and do the bare minimum with it. There's a lot of videos around with people making amazing jobs of stuff, but today we're just going to do just good enough, and possibly not even that. This is a desk that was found in the back of a yard in Workington, and as you can see, it's pretty disgusting. Before we start sanding, we actually have to wash it down, which tells you everything you need to know about the condition of it. Now, this is a particularly low quality 1970s desk that you'd probably remember from school if you went to school in the 80s or 90s. And it's like a piece of brutalist furniture. It's equivalent to the Barbican, but not quite as beautiful. Anyway, it's not even real wood. It's just a veneer. So I'm just sanding down the veneer, and then probably going to put some beeswax oil on it. Just see if I can bring the surface back, get rid of all the coffee cup stains. And as you can see, I'm actually having to wash out the drawers and take the drawers apart too, because the fronts are yet again veneer. So I can sand those too. Maybe even just get some kind of uniformity back to the wood and bring a bit of the grain back. So it's a very windy, dark evening in January, and it's not very warm, but we're going to soldier on. I think actually the reason why I didn't bother painting the frame on this is actually I got too cold, and this desk is a not very nice thing, and we're just trying to make it reasonable. So here's the beeswax oil going on. As you can see now, we're just rubbing it on with a piece of cloth. I actually used far too much, so I'm just using the stuff off the surface to do the fronts of the drawers as well. And we're nearly there, to be honest. Here's me thinking about masking and painting the metal, and then deciding against it because of the temperature. So I think, well, why not just put it back together? So here you can see the drawers going back in, and basically, there we are. That's a finished article. Last thing to do is just some bits that have seen a particular amount of high wear on the surface. I'm just giving them an extra bit of oil and an extra rub just to try and bring them back up. And that's it. The final result. Not very good, but not as disgusting as it was before.